Airbus sends mission helicopters to Hungary, France, Spain. Airbus has handed over multiple helicopters to the Hungarian, French, and Spanish armed forces as part of separate agreements signed with the NATO countries. The deliverables included the company's proprietary H225, H145, and H135 systems, which are to be used for various roles. The distributions coincided with Airbus' latest deal with the EU's Organization for Joint Armament Co-operation to extend global support for the Tiger mission helicopter operational in France, Spain, and Germany. H225s for Hungary. Under the deliveries, Hungary received 2 H225s ordered through a 2018 contract to Airbus shipped the first helicopter of up to 45 H1s that Paris purchased in 2023 for rescue, emergency, and law enforcement tasks. About 30 of the incoming fleet will be sent to the French Civil Defense Agency, while the remainder will be dedicated to the National Gendarmerie. Span 35s for the nation's Navy, Air and Space Force, Civil Guard, and National Police as part of a 36 aircraft agreement revealed in 2021. The handover is a milestone for Madrid, as it increased the government's collective H1 contracts in November to deliver 12 hours 225 seconds to the Dutch Ministry of Defense and 19 hours 135 seconds for the Royal Canadian Air Force. Concurrently, the company finalized flight testing of the German Navy's future NH-90 variant built specifically for Berlin's maritime mission requirements. A month earlier, Airbus completed the maiden demonstration of the unmanned Lakota helicopter being developed for the U.S. Marine Corps.